Guys, I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Pedia for GAN. So this is the video we are going to discuss the previous year question paper of TCS NQT 2020-21. This paper was of 13th September slot 1. Okay, so let's move towards the question. This is the actual question, and I will give you advice like how you can prepare for the TCS NQT question paper and what are the most significant patterns that you follow for the aptitude mostly. I will suggest some patterns so that preparing from such patterns you can solve maximum question by preparing minimum topics like speed, distance and time, percentages. These are the such topics from that you can get the most of the question through your TCS NQT. So this is the TCS Ninja numerical ability question. So this is the foundational section. You can see that a number 452 is divisible by, okay, so this is the question. If you practice aptitude, so you know that this is the question from the number system. Okay, this is the question from number system, and you will get 5 to 6 question from the number system. Okay, so this is next question is also from the number system, so you can know that these are the question from number system. These are the normal equation related questions. These are also from number system. The fourth question is also from number system. You can know that at least 4 question here are from number system. And look at the question 5. Okay, these are the question from profit loss. I don't know maybe from which topic, but it's from like percentages of profit and loss. Okay, so you know that percentages, profit loss, simple interest, compound interest, these are the very important topic for the aptitude of the TCS NQT. Okay, after that, look at that. These are the question 6 is of percentages. Okay, question 7 is of profit and loss. Look at this. Like if you have done profit loss percentages, this time and distance, you can at least solve out of 25, you can solve 15 to 20 question. Okay, this is also profit and loss, selling price, discount, or whatever the question it is. The next question is based on the simple interest. Okay, these are the very little and very simple question. Okay, this is as this is a foundational section, so question may be of like easy to medium level. Okay, 3.75. Okay, so this is was also easy question. Okay, this was a compound interest question. Okay, so you can look the simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss. The question are maximally from that topic. Okay, this is the question like in a school a total 12 cakes of 1.5 kg or order distribution cake to the children. Each boy is given 20 grams of piece cake. Each of the girls is given a piece 30 gram of cake. The number of school in is twice the number of boys, total number of children. Okay, this is the ratio and proportion question. Okay, okay, this is the also I think a percentage question. Okay, so the question 12 is of pressure and proportion question. Like you can imagine like these are the main question topics. Like you can see the question 40 is from upstream and downstream. It is from time, distance, speed. Okay, or this is the pipes and system question 15. Okay, this is the speed, distance, time. So these are the maximum topic you can see in the question. Okay, so one question is like a shape perimeter. Okay, this was a little bit question. It can be a 1 or 2 question like from shape perimeters. Okay, this is a number series question. Okay, number series question, so you have to find the values here. Okay, this is also easy question. If you practice more you can solve such question. Okay, these are the derivation variance, and these are one from statistics. Okay, variance and deviation, these are the 1 on 2 question. Okay, so you can and you will see a one question from data interpretation. This is pie chart questions. Okay, so this is the second pie chart question. Okay, so okay, you look upon this. Okay, part, this was the first aptitude numerical ability part. So most important part of this is that what question you have to do. Firstly, number system. Okay, after that speed, distance, type, upstream downstream question, pipes and system question. After that profit loss, simple interest, compound interest, ratio and proportion. These are the very important topics. Okay, you can see most of the question are from that topic only. Okay, most of the question are from that topic. So if you are like your exam is from 10 to 15 days onwards, so you can prepare like what topic I have said to you, so you can get a lot of from it. Okay, you can get mostly question from it. Okay, so then TCS Ninja verbal ability question. So verbal ability question, so for verbal ability you have to do the topics, I will share in the description or in the comment section. I will pin the comment, so you can do from the that verbal ability topics like anonyms, synonyms, and also like sentence completion, error detection. These are the question from mostly that ask like fill in the blanks, like you have given a, like such a paragraph, so you have to identify words which will be fit here, such a question. Okay, so this topic will come like if you practice more you can solve the question. Okay, so this is the part of the practice. Okay, you have to practice a lot here. The TCS Ninja reasoning ability question. Okay, so this is the reasoning is very easy for you. Okay, yeah, if you are done for Accenture or Cognizant, so this is sufficient for this round. Okay, reasoning is very easy. Okay, it will be very easy. Okay, this is the question like odd man out question. This was odd man out question. Okay, so this was also odd man, and this is the same pattern. Okay, I have saw this question. Okay, this is the same pattern. You can see, I will share the PDF of the previous year questions too. So this is the same question pattern. This question also asked in the 2022, and this question also asked. Okay, so this is the same pattern. Okay, after that, the statement and conclusion. These are two easy questions. Okay, you have to practice a lot. Okay, 2 and 3 statement conclusion, and these are the numbers like these are the odd man out questions. Okay, so these are the question you will most probably see. Okay, then the sitting arrangement, this is one of the important topic. Okay, sitting arrangement, blood relation is one of the main important topic. Okay, here because such question like you can see this question looks like very big, but it is not that big. Okay, it is very easy. 6 like this is the question. I'm not getting from what topic it is. Okay, so this is question number 9 is from probability. Okay, it is from probability. So this question 10 is from sitting arrangement. Okay, this question is also from sitting arrangement. Okay. So this is the question. I don't know actually the topic, but you have to answer from the above topics, above A B C D. From that you have to answer the question. Okay, and this is like a statement and conclusion question. This is also statement and conclusion. Okay, this is also statement and conclusion question. Okay, one another statement and conclusion. You can see that there are many questions from the statement and conclusion. Okay, this is the production question. Okay, this is a special topic for you, and you have to solve the question. And actually, I don't know this topic. Okay, I have to see firstly because I have not prepared for this topic at. Okay, so you can see the maximum question. Okay, you can see the maximum question are coming from topics what like coding, decoding. Okay, odd man out. Okay, this is one. Blood relation, sitting arrangement. Most of the question are come from sitting arrangement. Okay, sitting arrangement. You can see statement conclusion. So you have prepared firstly this topic too. Okay, firstly prepare this topic, and after you get some time, then try to prepare another topics too. Okay, and probability one of also. And this is the TCS Ninja programming logic. Okay, these are the logical question. Okay, so you have to solve such question like you have to practice like a basics of binary tree search. You have to get knowledge of SDLC, like this is a software engineering subject. You have to get a knowledge. Pseudocodes very important here. You have to solve multiple pseudocodes, practice a lot of pseudocodes of TCS NQT previous year questions. So these are the pseudocodes. Okay, these are very important. You have to solve the pseudocodes, all the pseudocodes. Okay, these are the pseudocodes. Practice pseudocodes. This is not easy. And finally moving toward the TCS Ninja hands-on coding question. So this is the last part. Okay, this is the ninja. Okay, had this is a coding question, three coding question of 90 minutes. So you have to solve the questions. Okay, so these are the question very easy. So by simply example I will tell you this question. Okay, you for you like it is very question. If you have done array and string, so it will be very easy for you. Okay, so a party has been organized on a cruise. The party is organized for a limited time. Okay, the number of guests entering e of I. Okay, the numbers which are entering into the party are E of I and the leaving are L of I. The party at every hour is represented as an element of the array, and every hour the party is represented as an element. The task is to find the maximum number of guests present on the cruise at any given instance within T hours. So what the question is telling us, there is a party ongoing on the cruise. There are E of I members which are entering as a guest in the party, and L of I leaving the party. So we have to find how many members are on the cruise. Okay, at a single time, how many members are the cruise. Okay, so this is the array of entering of guest 7 0 5 1 3, and this is second array of 1 2 1 3 4 is of living. Okay, so it's output it 8, but how? So let's understand. For the first hour, how many guests are entered? 7. And how many exit? 1. Means 7 minus 1, 6 guests are on the cruise. For the second hour, 0 entry. Look at this, 0 entry. And how much exit? 2. Okay, firstly we have 6 guests, so 6 minus 2, because 0 entry, no one is entered, but exit, how much? 2 were exit. So 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, now on the cruise there are 4 member. On the third hour, like 5 member entered, like 4 plus 5, and then 1 got exit. So how much? 4 plus 5 minus 1, 8. So maximum number of guests on the cruise are 8. Okay, so later on, like 1 entry, 3 exit, and after doing that, after at last 5 members are there, but we have to find the maximum number of guests within 5 hours is 8. Okay, so this is the simple code for here. You have to take a int and sum equal to 0 and max. Okay, firstly take the size, and you have to write this code from the scratch. Okay, and once you write the code, and if you compile and there are errors, so you have to write the whole code from the starting. So please make a practice of writing the question on the pen and paper. Oh, okay, it will be very very helpful for you. Okay, this will simplify all the things for you. Okay, and you will able to practice more such question on the pen and paper, so that you can write such a question, because once you compile you cannot rewrite the code. Okay, if got errors. Okay, so firstly practice such a question. So you have firstly take the look for the input a, like a of I, like array, then for the b of I, for the second array, and you assign max is equals to sum. So you are taking a third for loop. Okay, so what you are doing here, you are getting a sum, like a guest entering and guest leaving. So those who are entering take a sum, those who are leaving take a minus of it. Like after that, take a maximum of this. Okay, if the maximum, okay, if max is less than sum, means we have to add the sum, like max equal to sum, because हमें क्या चाहिए, सम ही चाहिए ना ज्यादातर, मतलब मैक्स वैल्यू चाहिए ना, तो सम यहाँ पर मैक्स वैल्यू, इसलिए हमने मैक्स के अंदर सम के लिए डाले. दिस इज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. ओके, so this is the second question. This is too easy question. Okay, so starting at starting you will like you can read the question. Okay, you will not understand what is happening whenever you are trying such attempting such question, but you are not getting the answer. So firstly simply look at the input. Okay, look at the input, output, and the explanation of the question. So what the question, I don't understand the question, but after looking upon the explanation I got the question. So question, what the question it means, the pairs, we want to find the pairs of like pairs of like biking bikers running on the north and bikers running to the south. So we have to find such a pairs. Okay, 0 1 biker running to south and biker running to north. 0 3, like up, we have to find the pairs of 0 1 0 1 0 1, like that. Okay, so firstly if we take like for the code, so you can simply look upon the code. Okay, it is simple code. Okay, simple code, not that hard this question is. Okay, so this is all about the this question. Okay, this was a foundational section. Okay, along with the we'll discuss later on the advanced section too. Okay, so this was a very easy topic and you can learn and understand the question. So I will uh overview. Okay, I will firstly overview what topic you have done. From numerical ability you have to do number system, ratio, proportion, and along with speed, distance, and time, pipes and cisterns. Okay, ratio, percentages, and also simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss. These are the very important topic from the numerical ability, from the reasoning, blood relation, and also like coding, decoding, sitting arrangement, the most important topic, statement, conclusion. These are the very important topic. Okay, you have to prepare. And for the verbal ability you can prepare like topic, statement, conclusion, anonyms, synonyms, articles, grammar. These are the topic. Okay, you have to learn whole grammar. Okay, this is not the thing like, okay, you have to learn whole the grammar. So I hope you got the pattern of the TCS NQT. This is the actual paper. So please give a comment. So those who will comment and subscribe our channel, I will personally share the link of this PDF with you along with the 6 other papers with you. Okay, so you must like this video, subscribe to our channel, so I will share the link personally with you. Okay, so this is for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.